si buat si fegarwan kapasin got bakar fegan marai di got ecek happy Saturday abi verisin wherever you are kirang mo erat sa kong Jesus Christ bafakunan na abi verisin si buat cekukan namun si buat orang marka kapasin got si bukan kerir warai di got marido querego en sobre ekiek coba koden giramwe koden ci katoge amen kafiti verfan nikitarom nigodekia agasaki cheri achvatekin dibi marido querego enxureki mia coba koden giramwe koden ci kadoge kafiti verfan nikitarom nigodekia agasaki cheri achvatekin dibi. So sing with me asara Mednedi wo where I go asara bairo usara ferido again asara bageri mednedi bo where I go asara bairo asara bairo usara ferido Skapong erik verisin si bawaray tikot si bagiriso erikot rem ifan surwi wan ut erikits si bagasagas hari gasagas sarabari reri kere mi parbut erikits si boyafagan mga ritikot you guys, I don't know if you guys see the title of that video. You bakay search meditate if I were iotek ngiriat sabon. Search the scriptures, meditate ekiek one iwe iotek ngirigo ekarabet thoughts iwe kitsimi achocho gari achipo ferri na ready marawats pusiammer watches si pororok seri pusin achegot nararabwe. Speak to us directly. Nu buen God, je bue on the move. Nu buen God, je bue furriots met tots naram kutai narang kapas. Naram ekiek waran kapas noro iotek me iotek achocho ne kutta kot naran kapas when nu buen go to book kapas nguruk none either a dream a vision but pusin naran kapas ika during your prayer iwira ko pufakun experience it a encounter me supernatural we sakora e bue kesi uri barabum manna fanson to rifin finaja ma reiti ko irabeta fisgeri it's been happening to me a couple times now even when God that God reveal some things to us you one men ma reiti ko to one men fin it was in bless at the same time you want me to do too ngai se wo chen ngai pwe if I just let it go again just brush it off again I want me to do too want me to wo chen ngai pwe either aporo sageri parebun pureba patori bless city ika search for it more non an kapas iwe ikerai ngau nero mebur iwe this doesn't usually happen to me all the time. As soon as I wake up, as soon as I woke up, I opened my eyes, and two verses in my mind, in my head. Karachak nero ngerafin. Wenni masore ekiek. Iwe ek verses iwe yigai pwe sergirikits ikerei. Rujak. Iwe Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 my people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Iran ikrar fitu kapas ijak nero nga ferusisin Shadow Nareri ekiek. Iwe one era ruar first anam not puget Kunfin upugu on metiu ukisin egorve yebeta pasa. I have hidden your word in my heart that I may not sin against you. Upugu Psalms upugu awon metiu wikisira gorve na fosin merga era I have hidden your word in my heart that I may not sin against you. Na fosin chugwe si babarkuta o si babara nerfevenli Kunfen upugu gorve tiu wikisira gorve yebeta pasa. Uwa isei som kapas non neru kei pue usap tipis nguruk. Amen. Mariti God. Praise the Lord. Uwa isei som kapas non neru kei pue usap tipis nguruk. Ewe ewin napukero sea iwe my people kote poros. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Knowledge irbet iwe an bung an kapas an saram abibuguts an tong irigits iwe kunfen upuku gorbet tio gorbe iwe re wai sei som kapas non neruge pagusap tipis nguruk. And first one iwe my people ra destroyed bokiten ese what they are knowledge irbet knowledge and God kapas ikan God tu vich ikan God maraban ikan God who is God ngerigits iwe gere ruar first iwe rasiboy Pharisee san kapas na neru katsbeki expusis up tipis ngeri. Those are the two verses where says no among in my mind narikiek nuburu karachak nero just literally open my eyes nga irabet afir puero ika irabet afin if I we shato narakiek iwe did my own searching but did my own iotek Kutta Kot warke verses meditate war iotek Kutta pusin non nutski pipen but share it to my mom, share it to my brother Jayan iwe As I keep on, if I meditating on it, me ekiek one, you ator ekiek nubupas share geri kids really one disciples. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Knowledge chiribet, iwe and God kapas, iwe and God words ngeri kids. If I surar words ngeri kids, if I suran saran ngeri kids, iwe confirm eight ngeri kids, confirm borbet you, book borbet you, because borbet eight ngeri kids. Why say some kapas non neru gay, posap tipis nguruk. Si buekis poros waren confirm. Mi karo ras kara storages si karo work with thoughts pisakits non si sekonian use often ngen nu sian need iwi sia feten ngeriats kara storages sia suki sia wow iwi sia iwer kapas iwai se som kapas non neru ke posap tipis nguruk iwi kan nu borai meditate war iwi ekatsebeto me atske pusin mior atske storages nari watske si mi work with thoughts si sekonian need at the moment but when we do need it we sia ras ya suki sia wow iwer kapas wai say some kapas na neru ke pusap tipis nguruk nu pues sia memorize verses si check memorize siriga sia isois na marawats narekikits non native when nu when sokun temptation ke sokun tipisi ke sokun aga ke se seburin to temptirikits ka try to put us down ngesia use ekara scripture sia look into our hearts, our minds, yes, story, chiri kapasen godia na nerukats. Sia use those verses to fight ikaw kufu ekara temptations pusisap sin against our God ikasisap tipis ngiri at sabong Jesus Christ. For example, ikapun tipisin makin iwe lie by kapas makin not puken confer not puken Old Testament all the way in New Testament. Mi fakuchak no umang repeated kosak makin pogota sa papaiti if I was in na puken Genesis all the way in New Testament iwe mi fakure rikits be niuri kosak kapas makin for tipis ibu chagi use makin as an example for today iwe nu pues sia story chiri kapasin God ekara kapasin God mi and niwid pusisap kapas makin ibu example when I rise up a opportunity of go prefer your thoughts me wakin you karakapas not only did you memorize them in your heart you can memorize them in your mind ngeka poputere read siri karakapas kapasin ko ta putere kapas nguruk ne or pechekura nguruk ne makin tipis God ese papaiti me garaya ka chebiri k verses you ka use pusin marawaran metufitsin and God kapas nan marawam they come alive in you because it's a memorized city nga par example ka par betos me alive not in you ka tori kufu tipisin makin praise the Lord ngayon check use ara lie kara kapas makin as an example iraisin no posipo says kapasen God na nerugats pusisap tipis ngeriache God no posia says kapasen God na nerugats when temptations roboto try to put us down iwe kara verses says na nerugats sia cheveri ra come to life within us ra come alive kapasen God mi baravan and then you defeat ikaw kufu ekara temptations robo arise iketo araposo posukak I wanted to share those pokiden irabet usisen mariti God I have been praying ngiri God ever since 2018 or 2019 is when I start praying about this not I meditate me search me Kutta Kot not I iotek utugar God kasi what's it kupafos ngiri please reveal if I netipong ngeri buray busilebet kay bufurri according to your will speak to me I don't care if you speak to me through visions through dreams through kapas through in the middle of my prayer speak to me through a person however you want to speak to me Lord please speak to me even when van nare sorwe kerai And those verses right away, as soon as I open my eyes, verses in my mind. I had to pray first and look for them, and I share it with my loved ones. I share it with Brother Jay, and I share it with my mom. Iran era first my people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Knowledge in kapasen go tiwi ye win navigate. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. My brothers and sisters, yea, a knowledge, kapasen got, everything that we ever need, information, they're not just information we information we holy, information we don't keep you out of osuk keep you out of keep you out of this book and God kapas me fakur full of sarabin and God kapas is knowledge, wisdom, tibetchen rannom and God kapas Bible. So I encourage you, my brothers and sisters, fakun search for God, search the scriptures, search for Jesus through the scriptures, and then meditate. Kapas kaya neri focus stand out nguruk ekiek one. What day ekiek one. You after meditation ko ibatori ako po iotek. Pray. Pungot epafakun fanguruk niwirin pusiram kutay naran kapas nariatek reram nuguruk iwe at sabon epafakun pusin erivri guruk niwirirap kutay ngay buwan nari Hebrew 11:6 ame panawang warwete kay semi parosari Hebrew 11:6 ibet si puan siargeri kits era esapor reberato gori apa ikot are saporan nugu esapor reben atogori are apa ikot are saporan nugu. So we have to come to God through faith, come to God through his son rats nugu nge mi fangiri kits sawon Jesus Christ ibosa pora era puya fitoren God ibofakun nugu pubi yor God Boya fitoren God ibafakun nugu baby your God. Oh, we have to have faith in your reven God. Nge ebwengeri chakwe mi kuta I niwirir. Ebwengeri chakwe mi kuta I niwirir. So when we search for God, when we look for God in the scriptures, in prayer, in meditation upon his word, kapasikaria rerom kutai poguter kerugu ngei vi fakun uwewats kirikits poguter omnugu ngei is the only God iwe first era God epwengeri chakwe vi kutai niwirir according to pushing the riches of God, pushing the riches in his son Jesus Christ. Ira po fanguruk niwirin omet kutai. So ira po takay K1 title ira sara ika a video iwe search, meditate and pray. Search, meditate and pray. Pure tip me Kutta Kot. Tip me search for him. Tip me fakun ekiek mong one and God kapas. Tip me rugu. Pubi your God mi barag. Iwe kapasin God if God pusin epwangeriwirir. Ngerariwin iwe pusin according to his riches. According to pusin med erwi pan need God pusin pan epafanguruk. niurin kutai. If it's to believe that there is only one God, if it's to believe puri jagawa kot mi barai vi bin mi barabar vi togekis vi fagararu Jesus Christ, if you don't believe that but you search for him because you want to be sure that it's true, you want to put up kutai ram nugui iwe kot epafakun fanguruk erariwin, and that niwin iwera kasire gebi your kot kasire gebi togok kasire gebi fagararu Jesus Christ feritom pun kuputagori diwin se feriti. Oh, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Euretip mi kutta kot mi sire. Where God God is not looking at your outside appearance. God is looking for what mirannom non nerugum non nasagasom norekiakum. Iwe nubore bokura non netibom mekiakum nervi fakun enetin search for God. Kutai. Iwe God epufanguruk. God will reveal himself. God epunguruk niwin kutai. Ngerariwin iwe, it's up to him. If you're looking because you're not sure if he's real, but you're looking for him, Vedab was to reveal himself, Vedab was show you, my son or my daughter, yes, I am very real. I am very real. Ngago god mi barai, ngago god mi bin. I am very real. I love you. Ngami echeruk mi papairanon ni in Jesus Christ. Togeye purgangai wa kom togeok non ni in Jesus Christ. Marai di God. Ikirabe te karai wo share gari kichikirai. Puramen bless you pusin marawi. Ipotagori errage testimony ke betos bi fiskeri. Nor pusirei search for God, nor pusirei kutai. Iwe nore tutuwarei. Iwe fangeri wisdom, and sakur wisdom, except the wisdom of the world. Iwe fangeri ikapuargeri sakur betots. Ekan konier puaran nuboraiwa to reach outreach ministries. Miori fabri raturi. Iwe nuburai was a sagri where or wherever bas iwe it was like a last minute thing. She bought a visitor family. I wish you to I etor Grand Ferry there Efiswa Arizona. I wish never read a type of ferry. I had to do a revival. You after the revival is done, you soon may have a last minute decision. Fellowship prayer. And then while we were on the road going to that house, it was something that I was like, so what am I gonna share? I wasn't prepared to share anything like this. I was only praying and preparing for the revival. Not a last minute decision. Pusibora fellowship ngeri family. May they guy buwe ngeri family. May they guy buara kapasen God. I start just meditating na naraigi God met ke wotsen ngai bue share nar family met ke wotsen ngai bue wato re family. Even nu buen the word forgiveness abu dere dor naraigi iwe ngai wa dere feedback away forgiveness. That's a little do what am I gonna do with forgiveness? How am I gonna do that? Iwe nobody wa I wa tol nara we ba buta fellowship can share scriptures, and then when it reached me, I think I shared something else instead of forgiveness. Iwe Brother Alfreda share, and he was so bold. He was so loud. What forgiveness. He was so strong for the Lord, not to preach forgiveness. And when I look at the reaction of the people, nubara may react if I was sharing not forgiveness. And my reaction was this. I was disobedience. At that moment, wafakut disobey geri begun God me to rien na fanson. And that was the beginning of, if I have to be bold again. I have to listen. I pray for it, so I should listen when it comes to me. After I pray, I should believe that it's from God because I prayed for it. Our experience, that was the first experience of this year. Ever since that, please Lord, speak to me again. Please Lord, speak to me again. Please Lord, show me what you want me to show, for me to know it. Naram kapas, the word that you want me to give to your people, or the word in your book that you want me to see it too. So ever since that experience, I search for the word, I meditate upon the word, ekiek what they want, iotek nefira. That was the experience, the beginning of kapas. And it so happened on a outreach ministry too. Outreach on our own time, our own secret time with him. Ever since that day, that moment, I always wherever you want to speak to me, Lord, please let it be known that it came from you. This morning, that's one of the things happened. To wake up as soon as my eyes were open. Hosea, kapas. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge was going back and forth in my mind as soon as I opened my eyes. So I encourage you, and to myself too. The knowledge is all here. Kapas and God, Sarah and God, ekiek, native and God, ngerikits is all in His Word. Kutta and Neri, meditate one. Buri kasi se ira, even not puke Psalms, upukwe with you, pun. I have hidden your word in my heart that I may not sin against you. Ikapusise, isois kapasengot na nerugats vekiekits. Sibotori sire, metos mi mwen, metos mi pun. Siboi says an kot kapas na nerugats, pusisap tipis ngerigot. Those were the scriptures that came to mind today as soon as I opened my eyes from sleeping. And I wanted to share that to you guys today too. Hopefully, it will bless you the way it blessed me. I shared it with my mom. I also shared it with Brother Jayan. Brother Jayan told me we could bless you, Manawan. And I wanted to share on disciples too. God bless you, Evanan. What come across this video. Saya gori de, pada dia cakap dia, awak pada ye read today, at least from me. Many kasi buat family. Oh Lord Jesus, I praise you. Can face tomorrow because He lives. All fear is gone because Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know, yes, I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, because Jesus lives, all fear is gone. Because I know, yes, I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. Because Jesus Christ lives, because He was risen. The gospel is alive. What we say, what we preach when we share about Jesus may look to some people, may look like we're crazy, but we are not crazy. Because He lives, because we may look like we're crazy for preaching it. Yeah, me alive. He came back. That is why we preach it. Me, He came back. Maraysefen nida iwe yaran nom mamot on the right hand beside seven goat non nang. Iwe pokiten for that reason He lives again. Pokiten vi Maraysefen pokiten I mi bung meta pasa because He is the Son of the living God. Pokiten vet thoughts made sir we preach it in boran nam one ferufan. Mi bung because mi Maraysefen. That is why Ogi Tigera Kisi be set free, Reran set us free, Seri Waken, Seri Tibis, Simi Fakun Atsotogori Atsipan no among Neoporosa, even though we may look like we're some crazy people. No, we are crazy for the Lord. We share it anyways. Sibi Aporosa Usun. An Maraysefen simi aporosa usun are wubuts simi aporosa usuran go togekits akom ye popun sibapan learn to love Him. Norari marawats. Mariti got ye vet ngai potogoripan sir gerikit sikirai. I encourage every one of us sibafakura warats fanson ne Kutta Kot non iotek. Kutta Kot naran kapas tutuari ebopan for fast work. Tutuari ebopan peri netipan nguruk. When God ebwe peri certain things pusin naran per luruk. Naran tu vitsman maravan. Ura ko experience encounter me different because of me because He is holy, He is a creator, and when He does something, when He's on the move, it's an experience in fakultativity for the rest of your life. Yuida, parat kapong irikibibirisit, mariti got ren, an kapas sivitio chief one ikerai. We stay connected metuor ngirikot nar fansur birisin. Kutai nar rain maraw, mariti got. Ay kapong irikibibirisit, so patsu.